Hi guys, welcome back to Intellectual Literature. This is Gauri. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic, how to think in English. Many people learn English for years, but still they feel afraid to speak. The main reason is we think in our mother tongue and translate into English. This makes her slow and confused. I'm also a learner and I'm sharing what is helping me step by step. Why thinking in English is important? When we think in our mother tongue, we translate word by word. Because of this, we lose confidence and fluency. But when we start thinking directly in English, speaking becomes easier and more natural. Thinking in English is not a talent, it is a habit. Step 1. Start with single words. Don't try to think in long sentence at the beginning. Start with simple English words like book, pen, water, study, happy, and tired. When you see an object, name it in English in your mind. For example, this is a table, this is my phone, I am drinking water. This small practice trains your brain. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Talking to yourself is one of the best methods. While doing daily activities, describe what you are doing. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking food. I am studying now. I feel tired, but I will continue. Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. Step 3. Use daily life sentences. Think in daily simple sentences like today I studied for 3 hours. I am preparing for my exam. I want to improve my English. These sentences are useful and practical. Step 4. Practice for 5 minutes every day. You don't need hours. Just 5 minutes a day is enough. Speak loud. Don't stop for mistakes. Consistency is more important than perfection. Step 5. Be patient with yourself. Thinking in English takes time. You may feel slow in the beginning. That is normal. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Every small effort counts. Thinking in English is a habit. Habits are built with daily practice. Start small, be consistent, believe in yourself. If I can start, you can also start. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.